This is the cycle of violence. Some people may be familiar with a three-stage cycle of violence model. We're going to use the four-stage cycle. However, both are correct. Today, we're going to break down the different stages. The first stage is the tension rising or walking on eggshell stage. Do you know when you get that feeling and you know your mom or dad is upset with you or upset in general? You feel like something is about to happen, so you may be extra nice or stay out of their way or make sure you do not do anything to add to their stress. This is what it feels like to walk on eggshells. The second stage is the abuse occurs stage. One or more of the types of abuse you learned about may happen at this stage. For example, if someone says, "If you break up with me, I'm going to kill myself." This is verbal, emotional, mental abuse and can also be physical abuse. Threats of suicide should always be taken seriously. However, you're not stuck in your relationship. Make sure the person is safe and wait until things have calmed down. Then bring in a third person, such as a counselor or trusted adult, and revisit breaking up the relationship. The third stage is the reconciliation stage, also known as the making up or honeymoon stage. This is the time when the abuser will shower their victim with gifts and empty promises. "I promise I'll change," or "I promise this will never happen again." Unfortunately, because this is a cycle, the abuse will occur again unless addressed. The fourth stage is the calm stage. During this stage, things go back to normal. Victims will often say that they have the old version back or what their partner was like at the beginning of their relationship. Eventually, the tension will start to rise again and the cycle will continue. Many victims of abuse try to survive in the third and fourth stage, the reconciliation and calm stages, and they try to downplay or ignore the first and second stages, tension rising and abuse stages. They will often defend their abusers and say things like, "Well, they aren't like this all the time," or "They only hit me when they drink," or "As long as I don't do blank, they won't hurt me." In reality, it is never the victim's fault. And abuse is a personal choice, and it is not caused by drugs or alcohol, but it can make it worse.